As a handyman, having the right tools can make all the difference in getting the job done efficiently and effectively. The variety of tools available can make it difficult to choose which ones to invest in. So in today's video, we'll show you the 10 coolest tools that every handyman should have. When working on a job site, music is the ultimate concentration aid. Keeping that in mind, Klein Tools made the AES EB1 job site earbuds with top-notch sound features and rugged construction. These earbuds provide high-quality stereo audio and protect your hearing with an NRR of 28. They feature memory foam earbud tips that provide passive noise isolation, and the Bluetooth 5.0 technology ensures an ultra-stable connection. The AES EB1 also has built-in microphones to clear calls and voice assistance. They offer wireless music listening and interchangeable earbud tips for a comfortable fit in any setting. The case is designed to withstand 2-meter drops and comes with IP67 ratings, so you don't have to worry about dust and water. Oh, you'll get around 15 hours of playtime with the charging case. People who are in the plumbing trade will love this tool. The Rothenberger Robend 4000E is a reliable and stable pipe bending machine that can bend copper, stainless steel, carbon steel, and multi-layer composite pipes up to a diameter of 35 millimeters. And it can bend them up to 180 degrees even without a socket. Plus, it features a cast battery that allows for up to 60 bends with a 28 millimeter copper tube, making it a perfect tool for on-site use. On top of that, this tool has a patented roll-up technology to ensure deformation and crease-free bending. Additionally, the Robend 4000E features a changeover switch for forward and fast return and a 7-speed gearbox for strong power transmission, even with large nominal diameters. Although it seems more like a toy, this King Tony 2747DR is the ultimate tool for all your screwdriving needs. This versatile ratchet screwdriver is designed to make your life easier in so many ways. It has a swivel handle that lets you loosen or lock screws at any angle, no matter how tricky the spot is. Plus, the forward-reverse mechanism allows for effortless switching between tightening and loosening, while the 5-degree ratcheting gear lets you use it in the narrowest of spaces with ease. And the 72-tooth ratchet ensures a smooth and precise operation, giving you maximum control and accuracy. Get ready to upgrade your workspace with the Toughbelt WB700 Workbench, the perfect addition for all your commercial and DIY needs. This workbench is so easy to set up, you'll be done in a jiffy. It's so compact that it takes up less space than your average yoga mat. With its flush-fit recessing carry handle, you can take it with you wherever you go. But wait, there's more. The WB700 Workbench is compatible with patented clip-check pouches at all 4 corners, so you can keep your tools organized and easily accessible. Plus, it has multiple clamping points, giving you plenty of options for securing your workpieces. And with the smart surface and quick reference measurement markings, you'll always get accurate measurements. Apart from that, The WB700 is built to last, with heavy-duty legs and ruggedized feet, providing stability on any surface. This next tool is something every handyman always remembers to carry when going to a job site. This AEG BBH 18BL2 is a heavy-duty rotary hammer designed to drill into up to 26 millimeters of concrete. It has 4 mode settings for versatility: hammer drilling, rotary drilling, hammer only, and manual chisel adjustment. This tool also features a dual rear handle spring-loaded vibration dampening system to reduce user fatigue. With 2.5 joule impact energy, it delivers high performance for drilling, chiseling, and light demolition applications. Additionally, it has a ProFlux brushless motor for better efficiency, and a rafter hook for mounting the tool when not in use. Plus, the hammer also features HD Sync technology, which provides up to 20% more power for demanding jobs. Are you annoyed with tripping over extension cords or untangling them like a ball of yarn? Get rid of all those hassles with these Flexzilla retractable extension cord reels. With options of 25 or 50 feet in length, you'll have enough cord to complete your requirements. Thanks to the grounded plug with a 5-foot lead-in cord, these reels will keep you safely connected, while the lighted triple tap outlet will keep you feeling like a rock star with plenty of capacity. On top of that, these Flexzilla reels come with a swiveling mounting bracket that pivots in every direction, so you can work comfortably in any position. Plus, it comes with an adjustable cord stopper, meaning you'll never have to stretch and strain to reach your outlet again. And as if that wasn't enough, the power indicator light is like the cherry on top of your DIY sundae. Say goodbye to the old school methods of checking the temperature and pick up the Inco HIT015501 thermometer. No more guessing, no more burns, and definitely no more mind tricks needed. This sleek and ergonomically designed tool is your new temperature measurement hero. With its IRT on and off system, you can take precise measurements from a safe distance without touching a thing. Plus, the laser features a color display screen, so you'll be able to read the temperature of any surface with ease. And the upper and lower limit alarms will give you that extra peace of mind while using it. Whether you're a professional by trade or a regular user, the Inco HIT015501 thermometer will be your new go-to gadget for all your temperature measurement needs. If you've ever struggled to tighten or loosen something, the SnapOn CT9080 wrench will work like a blessing for you. This tool comes with a torque output of 1,050 foot-pounds and a bolt breakaway output of 1,440 foot-pounds, so you'll feel like the superhero of the workshop. Plus, it has 3 torque settings, meaning you can customize your impact wrench to adapt to various applications. This impact wrench equips a brushless motor that ensures a longer runtime and durability, so you won't be caught off guard in the middle of the project. And let's not forget about the super bright 100 lumens LED light output. This wrench enables you to work even in the darkest of corners. Oh, There's also a variable speed trigger that provides precise control and prevents all the over-tightening issues. If you're working with multiple lumber types, the Worx compound miter saw will be an ideal solution with absolute cordless convenience. This sliding miter saw has up to 8 1/4 inch maximum cutting capacity, making it perfect for all your lumber needs. But wait, there's more. The built-in work holding clamp will keep your workpiece in place on both sides of the blade while cutting, so you don't have to worry about any unexpected ninja moves from your lumber. And with the light-assisted shadow line, you can be as accurate as you need. But the real icing on the cake is the adjustable knob of this saw, which allows you to bevel the blade up to 45 degrees for those perfect miter cuts. And the adjustable depth of cut is perfect for cutting dado slots. Now, spend less time wrestling with your saw and more time having fun on the site. Tired of using different tools for different measuring tasks? It's high time to get the Milescraft 8406 Exactor. It's a multi-purpose tool that'll make you feel like a DIY superhero. This tool is no ordinary T-square. It's a true T-square that can handle inside and outside corners like a boss. And with its 4-way built-in scale, you won't have to be a math genius to get your measurements right. But wait, there's more. The 8406 Exactor comes with some seriously cool features, like built-in dual levels to keep your hands from shaking, a sliding bevel that'll have you feeling like a master carpenter, and a depth gauge that'll ensure you don't cut off too much. You can also use this tool to measure and cut 45-degree miter angles and 90-degree inner and outer angles when in need. Okay, that was the list of the 10 coolest tools that every handyman should have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.